It's a 2017 Kia Sorento. One look and you might find yourself taken by the perfect getaway vehicle. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth, smart device navigation, aluminum wheels, 3 USB ports, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto allow you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. Consumer Reports finds the Sorento offers lots of interior space, yet is easily maneuverable and simple to access. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.